Get more on this now with Lisa Cosmas Hanson, who's President and CEO of the market research firm Niko Partners. Great to have you with us, Lisa. So it's just amazing, isn't it? These numbers are really impressive. 15% year-on-year growth in August. What's behind this huge expansion of China's video game market?
Yeah, thank you for having me. It's very impressive indeed. And I think the answers to most of your questions are going to be Black Myth Wukong, Black Myth Wukong, and Black Myth Wukong. So this game has taken the world by storm. It was highly anticipated. A lot of gamers and industry observers have been noticing it since the trailer video a few years ago. And now that it's out, it has not disappointed. We estimate about 15 million copies sold in China so far, and it's really only been out a month, since August 19th. And as you said, 20 million worldwide. We think that actually it's a higher percentage in China than, even that perhaps. So this is generating a lot of revenue domestically and a lot of revenue overseas.
Well, let's talk a bit more about that, the international side of things. It is interesting, isn't it, how much revenue for China developed games in August grew because of the international appetite for what China is doing.
I think there's an international appetite for great games, and it doesn't matter where they come from. The story here probably is that China has now proven again, in my opinion, that it is a base for great game development. This developer of Black Myth Wukong is called Game Science, and it's really its first breakout hit for sure. And it's invested by Hero Entertainment and Tencent Games, two very big game companies. Tencent has, of course, had lots of hits, and so has NetEase. Both of those are globally traded, publicly traded. And we can see a lot of amazing hits worldwide, but this one has taken the world by storm for sure.
And Lisa, despite overall market growth, mobile game sales actually saw a slight decline in August. What's going on there?
I think that we should look at the market ups and downs like that in terms of when have these big hits gone. So we might be able to anticipate that in 12 months from August, so August 2025, it might look like there are lower sales in that month than there were in this month, just because that game has not released itself next August, you know what I mean? And so last year when we had some other big mobile hits out in the market, maybe those games had a big boost to revenue and now they've kind of normalized. So I think that in all markets, things kind of go up and down based on whatever the hits are.
Okay, Lisa, we're out of time, but fascinating stuff. Thank you so much for joining us. That's Lisa Cosmas Hanson, the CEO and President of Niko Partners.